Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Calendar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you recover a deleted event in your Google Calendar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to recover a deleted event in Google Calendar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you can accidentally delete the wrong event, because when you click on it and open it up, sometimes the trash can is right there and you're going to delete it accidentally. So right here, I'm going to click on edit, but sometimes my finger slips and I click on trash, and you're going to see this down here so you can undo it. But sometimes this goes down pretty quick, so you're not able to undo the delete. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Calendar. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up my Google Calendar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you're going to want to recover a deleted event, the first and easiest way is to click undo, as you saw earlier. But as you see, that pop-up disappears pretty quickly, but that's okay. It went to your trash can. So what you're going to do is up here on the top menu, you're going to click on this gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on trash. Okay, now you're going to see the different calendars you have. So there's nothing in the trash can for this calendar, but if we click right here on Follow Up Boss, okay, you can see this is the calendar event we just deleted. So these are going to be in here for 30 days. So if you deleted something yesterday or last week, it'll be listed here. And in order to recover it, couple of different ways you can do it. You can click on this little twisty arrow thing, or if you're going to be recovering a number of deleted events, you can just click the boxes next to them and then click on this restore all selected button here at the top. Okay, now it's been restored. So let me go back to my calendar. Okay, so here it is, the event that we had deleted. So we have now recovered a deleted event in our Google Calendar. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to recover a deleted event in Google Calendar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.